Feeling a little burnt out since trying to share the Christmas spirit on my channel for 25 days. They say Christmas is a time for giving, but upon giving, we sometimes forget ourselves. So I decided to have a cozy day at home and worry less about doing more for others and do more for myself. Hello, friends. I hope that you are doing well. Welcome to my channel or welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. After being out last night, which if you missed the video, I'll link it in the eye. I feel like today is a much cozy, chill at home kind of day. So I'm just going to be journaling, preparing some things for 2024, maybe baking some cookies and just continuing with some hobbies. So stick around to see all of that. I don't know if you guys remember, I was crocheting a hand glove with the leftover yarn that I had. However, this yarn is super chunky. So I ended up giving up on this one because I feel like it would be a bother for me at the desk. So I gave up on this one, but I did went and get a second yarn. I was avoiding having to do this, but I started. It's the same pattern. I couldn't find no white yarn, so I bought black instead, and this is how far I've gotten. And I'm gonna see if I could try and finish that today and show you guys the result at the end. So this is how far I've gotten, and I think I'm gonna stop there. But I noticed that it started off kind of longer, and then I probably missed some loops in between, so then it's like curving a bit like here, because afterwards I tried to catch it back. So yeah, this is the work in progress. That experience is my first time crocheting, so we'll see by the end what it would actually look like. I love the cream cheese sugar cookies because they are not buttery and have a very soft, melt in your mouth texture. Because I couldn't find the gingerbread houses near me, the idea was to decorate the cookies, but in the end, we didn't because we really do enjoy cookies in general without all the extra toppings and added sweets. But feel free to use them however you like. I will put the link in the description box below. I did, however, added some food coloring just for a pop of color. While the cookie dough is being chilled, let's talk a little bit about how I plan to go about my channel, just to give you a little more detail and precision. During like the storytelling, instead of being more like you should or giving you advice, I would be more giving myself advice, in the sense that I'll be using the first person all of the time and you take it if you wanted. I just feel like I've been always trying to give advice, not knowing if it is working for someone else, what worked for me for a certain period. So now it's more like words of affirmation for like to gain more confidence and what's not. So I will be using the first person a lot. And when I say we, I probably mean myself and my boyfriend, but usually it would be I. And eventually, maybe over a year of doing that and building confidence and really seeing the changes in my life, I can go back to being like, you should do this and you should do that and you should try this and all of that. So this is just also me writing my own story, hence the like channel with the whole rewriting my story. That's what I mean. is like how I'm telling the story and I'm the main person. I just want to use the first person instead of saying that I'm doing something but for someone else, or telling my stories but saying you instead of I. Like, it doesn't really make much sense when I explain it like that, but that's the hint behind all of it. So I hope that in the end you guys enjoy this type of storytelling, and if not, well, sorry, but I'm enjoying it for right now, and it's easier for me because it's like I'm talking to myself. So it's like a little more natural, and hopefully, it would build me up more because I kind of need it. So I've been doing bullet journals since 2018 and have yet to master it. However, the Legend Planner has made it easier, also not sponsored, but this planner has great prompts for self reflecting, goal planning, the wheel of life, and so much more. I do, however, enjoy my journals or planners to have a bit of color. Therefore, I'm sharing how I add my personal touch to this planner. I like to prepare for the next month ahead of time because this allows me to reset my mindset. I will leave the link down in the description box just in case you are curious. Now that the planner for the month is looking cute, I can think about my morning and night routines, what I want to track for my progress, but I guess I'll do those in detail in another video. I'm enjoying Google Play Books at the moment, also not sponsored by the way. Playbooks allow me to read some free books and I can also listen to the audio, which is so great when I'm on long train rides, doing house chores, or journaling. So far, I've read Christmas Magic Volume 1 by Alexandra Moody. It was such a good transition book to read between November and December. It is a science fiction book that has all the Christmas ambiance mixed with mysterious magical creatures. And now I'm about to read I'm Glad I Found You This Christmas by C.P. Ward. 2023 taught me that taking care of myself means taking time for myself. A time to enjoy a hobby, learn something new, plan and prepare. Rare are the times we take to reignite the candle burning in us.